Good morning, students. Today we will start new chapter 3rd, negative numbers and integers. Okay, what is negative numbers? The numbers before that number there is a one sign, that is negative signs. Okay, or the number which is left side of the zero. So that we will study later on. So now, what is integer? Integer, it is a set of positive numbers as well as negative numbers, that is called integer. Okay, so there are two types, like right side of the zero, that is called positive integer, and the left side of the zero, that is negative integers. So that you can understand better what is negative numbers and integers, that you can understand by the this number line. Okay, so you can see here the number line is there. Okay, see this number line, you can see here is the 0, and here you can see 1 2 3 4 5, like that it is written. Got it? So what is that? It is right side of the 0. You can see this is the right side of the 0. So what is it? It is, they means these numbers are positive numbers. Got it? These numbers are the positive numbers. Now next you can see in this. Okay, what is here? Here is the 0. Okay, now right side of the 0 you can see all the numbers written in the 1 plus 2 plus 3, like that. And here you can see in the left side all the numbers written like -1 -2 -3. These all numbers are called the negative numbers, and here these all numbers are called positive numbers. Got it? Okay, so now these things we will also understand better afterward. Here is that you can see this, you can see this is the 0. This 0 is neither a positive nor a negative. This 0 is not, this 0 is not a positive number nor a negative number. Okay, 0 is not a positive, not a negative. So when you see the right side of the 0, right side of the 0, this side you can see, okay, this is the positive integers. Got it? Left side of the 0 you can see this is the negative integer. Got it? So whenever you move right side of the 0, you will get the positive numbers. When you move the left side of the 0, you will get the negative numbers. And one more thing, you can see there is the 4 at my, here is the negative -4. You can see -4 is also here, but this is at the positive. Okay, so this is called opposites. This 4 and this 4 are called opposites. So opposite of -4 will be, opposite of -4 will be positive +4. Okay, or opposite of +4 will be -4. Got it? Or opposite of -2 will be +2, or +2 opposite will be -2. Okay, and you must know those number right side of the number line of any digit. Suppose here is the, you can see here this 2 is here, and here is the -1. So this -1 will be greater than this -2. Okay, this -2 will be less than -1. Okay, so always you remember, on number line the digit come right side of the any digit. Those digit at the right side of that digit, always the right side of the digit is greater than the left side of the digit. Okay, so likewise you can also check -3 will be less than -2. Okay, same in the positive side also. In the positive side it is also possible. See, 5 is less than 6. 6 is the right side. Or 1, this is also, see here 1 and 2. So this is all about positive and negative numbers. Understood? And you can see this one more thing you always keep in your mind, this -6 means or +6 means, there is, it doesn't mean that we have to add or subtract. It just indicates that this number, this minus sign indicates that this number is a negative number. This plus sign indicates that this number is a positive number, and nothing but, and nothing more like that. This, we have to do subtraction or addition. Okay, this minus sign and plus sign indicates only the their integers, means this which type of integer it is a positive or negative. Understood? Okay, next we will study comparing integers. Okay, comparing integers means when now we have to compare, means compare like which number is greater, which number is less. So here you can see my 3 3 is greater than -6. Of course, why? As I told that where is the 3? Here is the 3. Where is the -6? Here is the -6. And I told that if who will be greater number in among these two numbers, who will be greater number? Those which number is at the right side. Who is at the right side? This is at the left side, you can see this is the left side, this is at the right side. Those who is the right side, they will be greater. So who is at the right side? 3. So of course 3 will be greater than -6. Understood? Next also you can check -3 and 8. -3 and 8, you can see where is the -8? You can see -8 is here. Where is the -3? -3 is here. So you can check that who comes at the, this come at the left side and this come at the right side. So who will be greater? Of course right side. So -3 will be greater than -8. Understood? So what you have to keep in mind, which number come at the right side. Okay, which number come right side, that number will be greater number. Or just I give one real idea about to compare the number. Just you can also understand by this. Suppose -5 and I have to compare with the simple 3. Okay, so now in this general you just think that here is the -5. Okay, so this, suppose this person has taken borrow, means अभी इस -5 वाले ने किसी से कर्ज लेके रखा है. ही इज इन द कर्ज, इसने पहले से कर्ज लेके रखा है, किसी से मांग के रखा है. कितना रुपया? 5 रुपया मांग के रखा है. और ये जो 3 वाला आप देख रहे हो, इसके पास क्या है? प्लस है, मीन्स इसके पास ऑलरेडी 3 रुपया है, इसको मांगने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, इसके पास पहले से 3 रुपीज़ है. ठीक है, इसको मांगने की ज़रूरत नहीं है किसी से. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ये इसको मांगना पड़ेगा -5 वाले को, और इस 3 वाले को नहीं मांगना पड़ेगा. तो ऑफकोर्स इस दोनों में से अगर देखा जाए तो अमीर कौन है? अमीर तो ऑफकोर्स ये होगा, क्योंकि इसको मांगने की ज़रूरत नहीं, इसके पास पैसा पहले से है. ये बेचारा गरीब है, इसके पास -5 है. तो ऑफकोर्स जो गरीब है, ये वाला पार्ट, ये ऑफकोर्स पैसे में ज़्यादा कौन हो जाएगा? ये 3 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. तो ऐसे आप साइन लगा सकते हो. अब नंबर लाइन पे भी लगा सकते हो. नंबर लाइन में आप चेक करोगे -5 इधर आएगा और 3 इधर में कहीं पे आएगा. तो ऑफकोर्स 3 राइट साइड आएगा. सो ऑफकोर्स 3 विल बी ग्रेटर नंबर. सेम आप कंपेयर ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. एक और एग्जांपल, जस्ट वी डू द नेक्स्ट वन मोर एग्जांपल आल्सो. अब ये देखो, एक नंबर अब मैंने लेके रखा है -6 एंड आई हैव टू कंपेयर विथ -8. सो नाउ अभी आप देखो दोनों नंबर माइनस में, ये भी नंबर माइनस में है और ये वाला भी नंबर माइनस में है. तो आप कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? अब अगर वो वाला जो मैंने भी जस्ट बताया पैसे वाला, तो अभी आप देखो इसको कितना रुपया कर्ज लेना पड़ रहा है. कितना रुपया ये मांगा इसने किसी से? 6 रुपया किसी से मांगा. 6 रुपीज़ इसने मांगा किसी से. इसने कितना रुपया मांगा? 8 रुपया मांगा. माइनस मीन्स इसके पास नहीं है, मांग रहा है. इसने कितना मांगा? 8 रुपया मांगा. ज़्यादा मांगा ना इसने. इसको कर्ज चाहिए 8 रुपीज़, इसको कितना चाहिए? 6 रुपया. तो ज़्यादा कर्ज में जो है वो ज़्यादा गरीब है, तो ये ज़्यादा कर्ज में है ना, तो ये छोटा हो गया ना. तो हु विल बी ग्रेटर? दिस इज -6 is greater. Also you can check in the number line where -6 is coming. Check it here in the number line. You can see -6 is here and -8 is here. Who comes the right side? Of course -6. So that is okay. So this is all about comparing of the numbers. You can compare by the number line, or as one method I just told, you can just imagine like that rupees and you can do. Understood? Next is your absolute value. Absolute value is nothing but this is the absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of the integer without regarded to whatever the sign is negative or positive on a number line. It is distance between the number and 0. Absolute value, it only shows the distance between the any digits from the 0. Okay, and it regardless of the either it is the positive sign or the negative sign. Okay, suppose I just write the -12. or I write the 12. So in this we have to find the absolute value. If we will find, what we will do, we will simply, I will write in the mod, this sign, in this type of sign we will write. This is called mod. Whenever we write the mod, its value will be 12, not minus 12. Even only 12, yeah, right, and it is in the mod, its value will be also 12. Okay, and what is the motto? To only know the distance. Distance means only we have to know, in this number line we have to know the distance from the zero. What we have to know? Distance from the zero, from this zero, for particular number. Suppose I take 7, so what is the distance between 0 to 7? If I took the number minus 7, so you can see in this also distance between the 0 to 7. In the both case you can see the distance between 0 to 7, and here also 0 to 7 means 0 to plus 7 and 0 to minus 7. In the both case the distance is same. Distance is same. So that is the meaning of absolute value. They only care about the distance from the zero. They are not taking care of sign, means they are regardless of the sign. They only know the distance from 0 to that particular number. So whenever we are writing, suppose we write minus 6 and we have to find the absolute value, we will write in the mod and it will be 6. If simply 6 I write, and also it will be 6, because this is the distance. This 6 is the distance from 0 to that particular number. Okay. Next, now we will solve some question. Some first question like true and false is, that is like 0 is not an integer, as it neither positive nor negative. 0 is not an integer, as it is neither positive nor negative. What it should be? Of course it is the false. Okay. Minus 2 is to the left of minus 5. No, it is right or left. 2 minus 2 is the left of minus 5. You just check the number line. No, it is a false, because it is right side. Okay. All whole numbers are integers. Is it true? All whole numbers are integers. Yes, true, because I told that in the integers come positive and negative. Whole number start from the 0, and 0 and 0 is also integer, but it is neither positive nor a negative. That's why first one is the false, because 0 is not is written. 0 is an integer. 0 is an integer. Okay, but it is not a positive nor a negative, and 0 is a whole number also. Okay. Next, since 12 greater than 7, therefore minus 12 here 12 is greater than 7, and here minus 12 is greater than minus 7. It is true or false? It is false. It is false. Why? This is true. This statement is true, but here you can see minus 12 and minus 7. Who is greater number? Minus 12 or minus 7? Who is greater number? Here is the, you can see he has the minus 7 rupees he has taken from someone, and here minus 12 he is taken. So who is in the big loss? Of course this person. So minus 7 is greater than minus 12. And also in the number line you can see, you will get minus 7 is the right side of the minus 12. So right side number will be greater number. Okay, so this is false. Minus 2, minus 3, 0, 5, 8 is a set of integer arranged in ascending order. Is it ascending order? No. Ascending means first smaller, then greater, like that. So see, this is not in the ascending order. Okay, so this is again false. Next, the greatest negative integer is greatest negative integer. Of course minus 1, because no any integer in minus side there is the big largest or the greatest integer, that is only minus 1, because that is start from minus 1, so that one is the greatest number. Okay, and in the case of positive we cannot find, it is undefined who is the positive largest number. Okay, but we know which is the positive smallest number, that is plus 1. Okay, that we can find, that is plus 1, positive smallest number, but greatest we cannot find. Same in the case of negative, greatest we can know, that is minus 1, but smallest we can't find, that is undefined. Okay, next question. Next is that the the opposite of winning by a margin of 400 votes, it means losing by. If the win, then what is the opposite? Losing. Okay, next one, minus 103, here is minus 101, so which sign we should have to use? Of course this is greater, 101 is greater than. So likewise you can solve the rest question. So now we will solve question number 3. Okay, in the 3, opposite we have to write. What we have to write? Opposite. Okay, so what is that? 50 kilometers south. So what is the opposite of south? North. So what we can write? 50 kilometer north. Okay, here is withdraw 100 rupees from the bank. So withdraw, what will the opposite? Deposit. So deposit 100 rupees to the bank. Increase in temperature, what is the opposite? Decrease in the temperature. Losing by 15 runs, so what will be? Winning by 15 runs. So next here is 20 meters below the sea level, so what will be there? 20 meter above, because opposite of below is above. Now here is 2016 AD. So AD stands for, what is the full form AD? Anno Domini. Okay, AD stands for Anno, ANNO NI. Okay, this is AD. Now opposite of 2016, so its opposite will be 2016. This is AD, Anno Domini. Its opposite will be 2016 BC. Full form of BC is before Christ. What is the full form of BC? BC's full form is before Christ. Okay, before Christ. So why before Christ means before the birth of Christ, and Anno Domini, it is after the birth of Christ. So this is the opposite of 2016 will be 2016 BC. That's the opposite of AD. Now next, question number 4. Write an integer to name the number to given sentence. Elevator is 2 floor above the street level. So what does it mean? Above the elevator is 2 floor above the street level, so it is in the minus form. Okay, because it is decreasing, so you can write minus 2. Okay, next, temperature is 40 degree above 0, so what is that? Plus 40. So likewise you can read and try to solve it. Okay, you just read and understand. Like a loss of 160, it means minus 160. Okay, because there is a loss. So likewise you can solve. Mark the following integer on a number line. So you have to draw the number line, and these numbers you have to mark on the number line. Understood? So you can do it very easily. Write all integers between minus 5 and 2, all integers between 11 and 1. You have to draw the number line and you can count how many are coming, or simply you can do like this also, all integers between minus and 5. So who can come? Minus 5, then minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then who will come? 0, then 1 and 2. So between that who are coming? These are the coming, so you can count and write. Okay, so likewise you can do it. Okay, next, here is the comparison is there. You have to compare and write. Okay, so how you will compare? As I thought about comparing the numbers, either you just follow the number line, or you just follow that example like rupees. How many rupees you have and taken the borrow. Okay, 8 and 3 you can easily do. Who is the greater number? Of course this one. 0 and minus 7, who is in the right side? Of course 0, so 0 will be greater. Okay, or you can say he has no any borrow but he has taken minus 7, so of course this is the 0 is the bigger number. Like minus 12 and minus 8, who is the? Of course minus 8, because minus 8 is the right side. Or he is taken minus 8 rupees from someone, he is taken 12 rupees, so of course he is taken less money from other. So likewise you can do it. Here you have to arrange the number in the increasing order. Increasing means, so first of all you have to write the smallest number, then after bigger number and bigger number, likewise you have to write. Here we will solve to arrange the integer in increasing order. So you can see here is the minus 20 because it is the leftmost side, so this will come first. Then you can check, then it is possible minus 16, then who will come? Minus 7, then 2, then 4, and the biggest one is the 10. Okay, so this is your increasing order. Likewise you can do the question number 10 also. Understood? Now number 11, using a number line write the integer which is 6 more than 11. So how you can do? 6 more than minus 11. So first of all I will solve this question on the number line. Okay, this one, 6 more than minus 11. First of all I will draw a number line. Okay, and I just start from, suppose I just start from here. It is minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, then minus 3, minus 2, like minus 1 and 0, and here is plus 1. Likewise you can do it. Okay, so naturally you draw this number line. Then what I have to do in the question, it is saying that 6 more than minus 11. So where is the minus 11? Here is the minus 11. Okay, so this is the minus 11 here. Okay, this part. More means right side you have to go. More means add. So right side we have to go. How many? By 6. So first come here, second, third, 4, 5 and 6. So now where we reached? On minus 5. On minus 5. It was the minus 11 and now we reach to the minus 5. So that is your answer. What is the answer? Minus 5. Okay, so on this number line you can do it. Okay, using this number line, like you have to mention, and you have to find the more than or less than, whatever is there you can do by the, if it is the less than, then you have to move left side. It is the more than, then you have to move the right side. Understood? Okay, next question number 12, which is write the value of each of the following. It is in the mod. Minus 8 is the value will be, as I told, that absolute value is the value will be simply 8. Okay, like question number 4, which is minus 12, and this is in the mod, and again minus sign. So what will be inside this write the same, and for this whole minus 12 mod is a value will come 12. So altogether what is the answer? Minus 12. Okay, next we will do question number 7. Okay, 7 is 16 minus 4 inside mod divided by minus 3. What we can do? First of all do this one, 16 minus 4, which is your 12, divided. So here is minus 3, we will come out from the mod, so it will be 3, divide, you will get the 4. That is the answer. Question number 6, 8, sorry, here is the minus 3. So what you can do? 8 minus, and this value will be up, we will take out from the mod, it will be 3. So 8 minus 3 equals to 5. This is your answer. So likewise you can solve up to question number 17. So this is your homework exercise 3A. Okay, thank you.